Hey, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company and increase its online presence. There are three key factors that are needed within a website for a business: content, backlinks, and citations. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they do fall short sometimes when it comes to content or search engine optimization, keywords. So I wanted to say that every time you type something into Google here, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit your search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another, and Google uses that to build trust in your business. Citations are anything name, address, and phone number, as they are shown in your Google Business profile. If you do not have a Google Business profile, it's highly recommended that you build one. It directly connects to your business through your citations and helps you rank in the map area. Again, it's important to be seen in the map. A lot of people search for products near them, near me, tree service near me. And once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business, be trusted by Google, and move up the rank structure. So for example, we have the maps here. We do have some ads up top, and everything underneath the map is considered organic ranking through content and keyword and backlinks, with the exception of advertisements like Yelp or Angie. Now, I typed in tree service, Phoenix, Arizona. I did notice here that you are here, but you do not have a website. So I thought maybe I could pass on some information so you had a better understanding. I did see that Tree Service Phoenix here is number 2 underneath the map with an organic rank. And I wanted to take a look at their site. And I have a tool that can explain how this works better. Ahrefs is the tool that I have, and it shows me behind closed doors what's going on with the website and what exactly they have that Google is trusting them for ranking and getting them on that first page. Now, backlinks again is one website that links back to yours as an endorsement. We have 1.6 thousand backlinks for this particular website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you have a strong domain rank and fair traffic coming through that per month. You also want to make sure that you have keywords or what the customer is looking for within your content. So 7,000 keywords in this particular site. And let's understand that the search volume is per month per keyword. Dropping cactus 450 times. Arizona ash tree 3,000 times. Tree stump removal 13,000 times. Palm tree is dying 500 times. Dying palm trees again. Cactuses, looks like cactus is a pretty big thing here. Palm trees dying, how to revive a palm tree 150. How to cut down a small tree 600 times. How to tell if your palm tree is dead. We have palm tree issues. Tree trimmers, Phoenix 350 times a month. So every time somebody is typing into here these keywords for particular service in that area, this is the exposure that your website would have per month, generating that much more traffic, which could create that many more leads and that many more customers, and thus that many more sales. It's important to understand that he's getting 7,000 views a month based off the 7,000 keywords he has. He has 820 referring domains, name, address, phone number, content backlinks, name, address, phone number, yellow pages, Pinterest, eHow, the strength of the domain, the amount of traffic that these sites get per month. So With that being said, once you understand how these things come together, content backlinks, citations, search engine optimization, keywords, you will begin to be trusted by Google. You'll have a popularity coming on. You'll be referenced by other domains, and you'll start to move yourself into the first page and build a ranking structure that'll generate some more exposure. It's important to have a well-built website. Like I said, many companies can build a beautiful website. Sometimes they fall short with the content. Without a website that's built correctly, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody sees it. So, with that being said, I wanted to take the time to try to explain a little bit better here for you to get you an understanding of how this works. If you are finding yourself wanting some more information or some research done, we could find out what would be realistic for your business and your goals. With that being said, I wanted to thank you for watching us today and have a nice day. Thank you.